We all need energy to power our daily activities. Whether it's a morning jog, lifting weights at the gym, or a family hike, energy is the fuel that keeps us going. From walking the dog to fueling our brains for studying, and even finding peace through meditation, energy is essential for every aspect of life. But where does this energy come from? Enter triglycerides, the body's primary energy storage unit. These molecules are crucial for maintaining our energy balance. Think of triglycerides as tiny packages of energy, ready to be used when needed. Just like a battery stores power, triglycerides store energy for our bodies. When we consume calories, particularly from fats and carbohydrates, our bodies convert any excess into triglycerides. This process ensures that we have a reserve of energy for times when food might not be readily available. These triglycerides are then stored in fat cells for later use. Imagine these fat cells as tiny storage units, each one holding a bit of energy for future needs. When we need energy, our bodies tap into these stored triglycerides, breaking them down to fuel our muscles and organs. This process is especially important during physical activities like exercising or running. It's a natural and efficient process that helps us stay energized throughout the day. Whether we're working out with friends or enjoying time with family, triglycerides play a key role in keeping us active and healthy. However, problems arise when triglyceride levels become too high. Elevated triglyceride levels can lead to health issues, including an increased risk of heart disease and other metabolic disorders. Consuming too many calories, especially from high-fat and sugary foods, can cause triglyceride levels to spike. It's important to be mindful of our diet to maintain healthy triglyceride levels. Reading nutrition labels and making healthier food choices can help manage triglyceride levels. Opting for fruits, vegetables, and whole grains over processed foods is a good start. Regular physical activity is also crucial. Exercise helps burn off excess triglycerides, reducing their levels in the blood. Activities like yoga, group fitness classes, and even daily walks can make a significant difference. Regular checkups and blood tests can help monitor triglyceride levels. If they're too high, your doctor can provide guidance on lifestyle changes or medications to help manage them. Staying hydrated and choosing healthy snacks are simple yet effective ways to keep triglyceride levels in check. A balanced diet and regular exercise are key to maintaining overall health. By understanding and managing triglycerides, we can ensure that our bodies have the energy they need while reducing the risk of health issues. It's all about balance and making informed choices for a healthier, more energetic life. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Comment below if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next. High triglycerides often fly under the radar because they don't always cause noticeable symptoms. This makes them particularly dangerous, as many people may be unaware that they have elevated levels until they undergo routine blood tests. This is why they're often called a silent threat to our health. Unlike high blood pressure or diabetes, which can present with more obvious signs, high triglycerides can quietly wreak havoc on your body without you even knowing it. But don't let the absence of symptoms fool you. Elevated triglycerides can have serious consequences. Ignoring them can lead to a cascade of health issues that could have been prevented with early detection and management. One of the most significant dangers is the increased risk of heart disease. Heart disease remains one of the leading causes of death worldwide, and high triglycerides are a major contributing factor. High triglycerides contribute to the hardening and narrowing of arteries, known as atherosclerosis. This condition restricts blood flow and can lead to serious complications. This process can lead to heart attacks, strokes, and other cardiovascular problems. When arteries become too narrow or blocked, the heart and brain can be deprived of the oxygen and nutrients they need to function properly. But heart disease isn't the only concern. High triglycerides can affect other parts of your body as well, leading to a range of health issues that can significantly impact your quality of life. High triglycerides can also lead to pancreatitis, a painful inflammation of the pancreas. This condition can cause severe abdominal pain and may require hospitalization. Additionally, they can contribute to fatty liver disease, a condition where fat accumulates in the liver potentially leading to liver damage. Over time, this can progress to more serious liver conditions, including cirrhosis and liver failure. Managing high triglycerides often involves lifestyle changes, such as adopting a healthier diet, increasing physical activity, and sometimes taking medication. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and healthy fats can help lower triglyceride levels. Regular exercise is also crucial. Physical activity helps to lower triglycerides and improve overall cardiovascular health. Even moderate activities like walking, swimming, or cycling can make a significant difference. In some cases, medication may be necessary to manage high triglycerides. Your healthcare provider can recommend the best treatment plan based on your individual health needs. Regular monitoring and follow-up with your healthcare provider are essential to keep triglyceride levels in check and prevent complications. Early intervention can make a significant difference in your long-term health. By taking proactive steps to manage your triglyceride levels, you can protect your heart, liver, and overall well-being. Remember, it's never too late to make positive changes for a healthier future. Understanding the causes of high triglycerides is crucial for prevention and treatment. Many factors can contribute to elevated levels, and often it's a combination of factors rather than a single cause. One of the most common culprits is a diet high in refined carbohydrates, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats. These dietary habits can overload the body with calories, leading to increased triglyceride production. Obesity is another significant risk factor. Excess body fat, especially around the abdomen, is linked to higher triglyceride levels. Genetics can also play a role, as some individuals are genetically predisposed to higher levels. Other contributing factors include certain medications, excessive alcohol consumption, and underlying medical conditions like diabetes and hypothyroidism. Because high triglycerides are often asymptomatic, it can be challenging to know if you have elevated levels without proper testing. This is why regular health checkups and consultations with your healthcare provider are crucial. Regular testing is essential for early detection and management. By incorporating routine blood tests into your healthcare regimen, you can stay ahead of potential health issues before they become more serious. A simple blood test, typically done as part of a lipid panel, can measure your triglyceride levels. This test is straightforward and can provide valuable insights into your overall cardiovascular health. Your doctor will recommend how often you should get tested based on your individual risk factors. These factors can include your age, family history, lifestyle, and any pre-existing health conditions. Generally, adults should have their cholesterol checked every 4 to 6 years. However, this frequency can vary depending on your specific health profile and any recommendations from your healthcare provider. More frequent monitoring may be necessary for those with existing heart conditions or other risk factors. If you have a history of heart disease, diabetes, or other related conditions, your doctor might suggest more regular testing to keep a closer eye on your triglyceride levels. During your checkup, discuss your triglyceride levels with your doctor. Open communication with your healthcare provider is essential for understanding your health status and making informed decisions. They can help you interpret the results and recommend any necessary lifestyle changes or medical interventions. This might include dietary adjustments, increased physical activity, or medications to help manage your triglyceride levels. Early detection and proactive management are key to mitigating the risks associated with high triglycerides. By staying informed and taking action, you can significantly reduce your risk of developing serious health complications. In addition to regular testing, educating yourself about triglycerides and their impact on your health is important. Understanding the role of triglycerides in your body can empower you to make healthier choices. A balanced diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, can help manage triglyceride levels. Limiting the intake of sugary foods, refined carbohydrates, and unhealthy fats is also crucial. Regular physical activity is another vital component of maintaining healthy triglyceride levels. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise each week, such as brisk walking, cycling, or swimming. Follow-up appointments with your healthcare provider are essential to track your progress and make any necessary adjustments to your treatment plan. Consistent monitoring and communication with your doctor can help you stay on the right path. Utilizing health apps and tools to monitor your triglyceride levels and overall health can also be beneficial. These tools can provide real-time feedback and help you stay motivated on your health journey. Joining support groups or communities can offer additional encouragement and resources. Sharing experiences and tips with others who are also managing their triglyceride levels can be incredibly supportive. Remember, managing your triglyceride levels is a collaborative effort between you and your healthcare team. By staying proactive and engaged in your health, you can achieve better outcomes and enjoy a healthier life.